Hi, this is Lex. I am a college student in the field of Bachelor of Science in Customs Administration. I made this video because I just want to share a little bit of knowledge about customs, especially to those incoming first year. Some of the questions you will encounter are, bakit ka nag-customs, or any ideas or any knowledge about customs. So in this video, I will share about customs and general principles on customs administration. Customs refers to the governmental authority that oversees the import and export of goods. Its role includes enforcing laws related to tariffs, trade regulations, and security measures, ensuring goods comply with legal standards, and protecting the economy from fraud and illicit goods. Customs is governmental authority that oversees the import and export of goods. Ang role ng customs is to enforce yung mga laws related sa tariffs, trade regulations, and security measures. Sinisigurado na yung mga goods na pumapasok at lumalabas sa bansa ay nag-comply with legal standards, and also pinoprotektahan yung economy natin na hindi makapasok basta-basta yung mga fraud and illicit goods like mga prohibited and restricted goods or mga smuggled goods na makakaapekto sa economy ng ating bansa. So, pasimplehin natin. What is customs? Customs refers to the governmental authority that oversees the import and export of goods. One of its important role is to protect our economy, that only lawful goods can enter and exit the country, while also collecting customs duties and taxes. We have 5 general principles on customs administration, pero magfo-focus lang muna tayo sa number 1, tariff and customs duties. The term tariff comes from the word tarifa, which is a small Spanish town. Yun yung first port na nag-charge sa mga importer and exporter for the use of its dock. Another account mentions that the word tariff comes from the name of a warrior, Tarif Ibn Malik. Si Tarif Ibn Malik, siya yung person na nag-charge ng fixed amount doon sa mga traveling merchants. Legally speaking, tariff refers to the tax imposed and made payable upon goods when imported to or exported from a specific country. So, yung tariff, yun yung tax na ipinapataw at binabayaran kapag i-import or i-export yung goods sa isang bansa. It also means an official list or schedule setting with their corresponding rate of tax. Customs duties refers to the tax imposed on imported or exported goods. So, yung customs duties, yun yung tax na ipinapataw doon sa imported or exported goods. Yung difference between the two, yung tariff is a list of goods with their corresponding rate of tax, while the customs duty refers to the tax itself. Ayun lang, sana may natutunan kayo kahit konti. And yung pinunan ko nga pala ng reference is yung mga PPT namin ng first year and yung books ng CMTA by Erwin C. Andaya. Thank you for listening, and Padayan Future Customs Broker.